Hi kids. So let's continue chapter 2 of political science. Now we have already know, you people already know what is prejudice, wrong judgments. Correct? We make judgments, we make imaginations about other people without knowing those people. So our judgment may be wrong. That is called prejudice. Then what do you mean by stereotypes? Some statements like see over your screen. Is a mind okay? You look so different. So these are different statements we prepare, we make, and other people start following it. So these are known as stereotypes. Now the details of what is prejudice and stereotypes I've already explained you before, correct? These are some statements which people go on repeating and other people assume that to be true. Now because of all these things, discrimination takes place. Now kids, you know the meaning of discrimination also, correct? Discrimination means to discriminate, that is to compare. You start comparing people. Now because of this, is it good to compare people? No, because if you compare, someone may feel good, other person may feel bad, so we should not compare. Now why discrimination takes place? Discrimination happens when people act upon such prejudice, as I told you, wrong judgments or stereotypes. Correct? Now, for example, you will see some people are not allowed to do particular jobs. They can do only sweeping job and that jobs. So this is discrimination we are doing. Same way, you will find some people are not allowed to take water from the same hand pump from where other people are taking. Then again, this is you are discriminating those people from yourself. So that way there are many discriminations. Nowadays it is like there are people, if one person has drank water, even if it is washed, that another person, if a poor person has drank water in that, and if the same glass is given to a rich person, he will not drink. So again there is discrimination. So discrimination is like comparing, thinking someone to be superior and someone to be inferior. Correct? Means someone which you feel is very low and someone you feel is very high. And because of this, kids, what happened? There is inequality spreading. Inequality means all are not treated same. Equality means what? All are treated same. But if you discriminate, you are not treating everyone same. Correct? There are discriminations like rich and poor, different religions, you will find discrimination, different languages, you will find discrimination. So these all discrimination leads to inequality. Clear? Now, so we should avoid this indiscriminations. Now, till date, you will find tribals people, the one who you view in olden days. If you remember, I told they used to live in jungles and all. Now, government has helped them. They are going for education also, and they are getting jobs also. Correct? But till date, if someone gets to know that he is from a tribal family, they will look upon them as inferior. So this is again discrimination. Though now he is well qualified in a good office, everything, but that meant the thinking, the statement, stereotypes was in their mind now. Tribals are inferior. Similarly, there are many ways. Now, if you take the first chapter we have done, in that chapter, you remember the two people who were there, Ek and Do, if you remember, which were the two people in the first chapter we did, na? Yeah, there were two types of people, and there only you will find lot of discriminations. If you remember, Samir Ek and Samir Do, this way names were given, correct? Samir Ek and Samir Do. Samir Ek was who, kid? The seller, the newspaper seller, the boy, and Samir Do was the one who purchased newspaper from Samir Ek. Now what are the comparisons over there? First and foremost, Samir Ek was poor, Samir Do was rich. Then Samir Ek was illiterate, not educated, and Samir Do was educated. Then Samir Ek did not knew English, Samir Do knew English. Samir Ek was Hindu, Samir Do was Muslim. Correct? There were many discriminations. Sorry, Samir 1, Samir एक was Muslim and Samir 2 was Hindu. So see, 4 discrimination in the chapter itself. Correct? So this way we discriminate people. Now we are making efforts that all these discriminations can be stopped. All should get equal treatment. Okay kids, we continue this tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.